Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ella, and this here is Donald Trump. Mr. Trump, thank you for being here with us today. Today we're going to be unboxing, what is this, an Aloha porcelain enameled bathtub made right here in the great country of the United States, right, Mr. Trump?
That'd be correct.
I can't take you seriously. No, we're really just going to open up this bathtub for Dad, so.
All right, let's get it open. She's doing a phenomenal job, you guys.
Just like you did when you were the president. It's bad luck to close a knife somebody else opened.
That's right. Close it.
Now, how in the heck is he going to tell me to turn it on this side to cut this out and drop this in the inside when this is upside down?
Yeah. Our father told us to open this bathtub up, and
No, I think they put it in the box.
it's upside down.
I think they put it in it was made in the USA. What do you...
You know, the best products are made in the USA.
That's why they put it in the box upside down. I love being an American.
Well, at least they put some styrofoam on there.
On the bottom?
Yeah, back to the bottom.
Now we gotta flip it over.
Oh,
Nevaeh, I need Nevaeh's muscles.
we got this.
Nevaeh! No, this is Nevaeh's job. Come here, Nevaeh. I need your help.
Come on out.
Come here. Come here. She's in there catching flies.
Oh, she's in there catching flies.
I need your help, Nevaeh.
We need your help.
What?
We need your muscles.
Okay.
All right, kid with the muscles, here's what we have to do.
Okay.
Someone package this
Yeah.
upside down. So we need to flip it over.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, which way you want to go? You want to go, we'll do it this way, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, now we got to do that one more time, okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to go on that other end. Go on that other end right there. And put this way. Drag it that way. Ready? You push. Oh, you're so strong. Where you get the muscles from?
I don't know.
My bad. Wrong way. This is what we're going to do. I was a little confused. Separate along there. Knife. This don't make no sense.
Who packaged this?
I wonder who packaged this too.
Let's do this.
Who do you think did it?
I think the mailman.
The mailman did this?
Yeah.
That postal service. Gotta love them over at the postal service.
This is
Thank you.
so
Excuse
cool.
me, Donald.
This
Excuse
is
me, Donald.
Donald Trump.
That's your daddy? What was it?
The ant.
Okay, I need to know, Nevaeh.
What?
You'll catch flies, right?
Yeah.
And you'll play with a squirrel.
Yeah.
But you don't like ants?
No.
I'm sorry.
Do you like ants?
I do.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. It's a new bathtub!
Oh my god, a brand new bathtub! Who's gonna be the first one to take a bath in this?
I am.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here, now we gotta do this.
Okay.
Put that in there. Got it?
Yeah.
Now we'll protect it if anything happens.